Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. This is part 4 of Paintbrush. In our previous video we learned how to use scatter brush. In this video we will learn how to create pattern brush. So let's start. Create a rectangle. Make a copy and reduce it. None the fill. And drag it to brush panel and create pattern brush. Create a circle and apply pattern brush. See the result. And notice this object are automatically adjust with circle. Create one more rectangle and rotate it. Delete it half and create a pattern brush. Create a circle. Now apply pattern brush. See, brushes are not only save your time, but it's also very creative tool. Create one more rectangle, this time we will use scale tool for new brush. Make a copy of this. Apply fill and drag it to brush. Now apply on circle. Double click, here you can reduce size. This will stretch pattern object and fit it. This will add space between pattern. And third one is quite similar to stretch to fit. Hit OK. Move it, you can apply pattern brush on any stroke. Delete it. Now apply this pattern on rectangle. Make a chain link for pattern. Create a circle. Delete it half. Create a copy and reduce it. Rotate it. Now reflect it by transform each. And hit copy. Pick Shape Builder tool and remove lines. Drag it to brush panel. Make a rectangle and apply chain pattern. Double click on brush. Let's see on zoom that area. These are corners options. You can see corners are looking different. So these settings control your corners. Auto between. Auto center. Second one, leave on original. If you apply none, so it will not work. And if you apply this one, so it will be disaster. Third one, I recommend to leave none. These two are start and end point. You apply any other pattern or object on your pattern's start and end point. Let's bring this to swatches. Now come to start and end point and apply them. But it's not working, because there is no start and end of our rectangle, so that's why this command can't find start and end point. Let's create an open path. Now apply it. See its work. That's all for paintbrush. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.